Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create text with a transparent background in Canva. Alright, it's pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, we're going to want to create a text for this particular picture, which is maybe this picture of my stream right here. Alright, don't mind my grumpy face. Now, what we're going to do is just basically type in or insert a text right here on the left pane. Add a heading right here, for example, clutch. All right, then I'm gonna select all letters and I'm gonna change the color to white. All right, let's make it bigger. Now once done, the easiest way to make it transparent is by going to the font section right here. Click on fonts and use the search bar. Type in 210. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, scroll all the way down, all right, until you find this option right here, which is 210 with a white background or a black background. If you are not using the dark mode, as you can see here, I'm using dark mode of Canva. If you are on the light mode, you should be able to see the black background in here. Just click on it, and as you can see, as easy as that, we just made it transparent. All right, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.